Welcome back students to your English class to the chapter number 19, India's Heroes. As you all know that we've started this chapter and we've left it earlier, that was 2-3 days back. Now today again we're going to continue with the chapter. As like I told you, who are India's heroes? The person who serve for the country, who does something for the country and they show their bravery. So there are different there are many Indian heroes, but in this chapter there are some Indian heroes which I don't think you are aware of, but the students of class 8th here in this chapter are going to tell you about who they admire. Who they admire is वो किसे पसंद करते हैं, who are their inspiration, whom they want to become like. So in this chapter, like I told you that there was a teacher, their teacher who gave them homework that when next day they're going to come to the school, they are going to speak on someone that they are fond of or they want to become like. So there were a lot of students, some came up with that they want to become Sachin Tendulkar, some came up they want to become a social worker like their mother. Then there was the third turn of a boy who is the important character of this chapter, that is Kabir. He spoke up about not only one person but he spoke about many people. So the first person that he spoke about was Major Unnikrishnan. Okay, so he told us the story of Major Unnikrishnan, how he sacrificed his life for the nation by helping others to survive, by helping his colleagues, and then at the end he was injured, he died, and he served for the country, and that is the reason why Kabir wanted to become like him. So one by one, when he was telling about other people, as you can see in the picture, the students were very attentively looking at him. हम कब attentively लोगों को सुनते हैं? When we learn something new or when we find whatever they are saying as interesting. So here the Kabir, whenever he was saying something, the students, the rest of the class was attentively they were focused on what he was speaking. So that was the first person, that was Major Unnikrishnan, which Kabir spoke about. Now let's see who is the second person. Till here I have already completed in the last video. If you want to know about it, please refer to my first video. In this video we are going to study about more characters that Kabir spoke about. So here we go. Kabir moved to his next hero. So now Kabir is moving on to his next hero, that was Vishnu Dattaram Zinde. He was the announcer of a CST platform. Now who is an announcer and what is the work of an announcer? Announcer, as you have seen, you will see in airports, you will see in bus stop, you will see in railway station, right? The work, and also you will see in fair. Fair means मेला. आपने देखा होगा वहाँ announcers होते हैं. And what is the work of announcers? कि वो announce करते हैं. For example, if there is any train which is delayed or which is coming in time or whatever be the reason, तो वो announce करके बोलते हैं. या अगर किसी का luggage miss हो रहा है, they'll announce. If there is anyone who's lost, then also they announce. So this is the work of the announcer, कि वो announce करके they make people aware of something. Okay, so when he was the announcer, it was his duty to announce something to the passengers, and their terrorist attacked. वहाँ terrorist घुस गए थे, and they started shooting the people. But here thousands of commuters escaped threat. और thousands of commuters कौन होते हैं? जो इधर से उधर जाते हैं. For example, आप ट्रेन या बस में क्यों ट्रैवल करते हैं? बिकॉज यू वांट टू गो फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. दैट इज नोन एज कम्यूटर्स. सो कम्यूटर्स इज रेफर टू द पीपल हु आर ट्रैवलिंग इन द ट्रेन दैट डे. सो उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने अनाउंस करके लोगों को वहाँ से हटाया ताकि वो जल्दी से हट जाए, उनके साथ कोई ट्रेजेडी ना हो. और उनको देखते देखते ये कि ही वॉज हेल्पिंग अदर पीपल, द टेररिस्ट ट्राई टू अटैक देम, बट लकीली द बुलेट्स मिस्ड हिम. मतलब कि जो गोली थी वो जिंदे को नहीं लगी, एंड ही हाउएवर सर्वाइव्ड. क्यों? क्योंकि भगवान चाहते थे ही शुड लिव. Kabir's depiction of his heroes had moved a few of his classmates to tears. Now if you can see in the picture here, the students here, they are crying. मतलब कि आप whenever you hear any emotional story, आपने अगर आप कभी सुनेंगे कि किसी पर्सन ने अपनी लाइफ की चिंता ना करते हुए दे वर्कड हार्ड फॉर द पीपल्स वेलफेयर, you will be touched by it. So here when Kabir was telling about his heroes, कैसे उसके हीरोज़ ने कितना अपने लाइफ के लिए दूसरों के लिए अपनी लाइफ में सेक्रीफाइस किए, the students they were filled with tears. The stories had hit Swati heart. So there was a girl in Kabir's class that was 8th A. She was Swati and उसको वो स्टोरी बहुत ज़्यादा टच की because she was the person who was crying a lot. Kabir as the narrator was also overwhelmed with emotions. So Kabir जो नरेटर थे, नरेटर मतलब जो बोल रहे थे, आपने देखा होगा देर आर पीपल जो अगर अपनी कोई स्टोरी बताते हैं जो पास्ट में उनके साथ बहुत बुरा होता है, तो when they are speaking even tears come out of their eyes. Why? Because they cannot control their emotions. But here Kabir was trying to control his emotion because he was the narrator. He didn't want to cry because if he is going to cry then he had to stop in middle and people will obviously the people who was there listening to him वो भी रोते. तो he tried to control himself, he tried to control his feelings. Now like I told you in the previous class that Kabir, it was his first turn that he was speaking in front of the whole class. इससे पहले उसने कभी नहीं बोला था, so he was feeling nervous. But when it came to speak, he spoke it very clearly. He spoke it so confidently that the other students as well as the teacher wanted to hear more from his mouth. सो इससे आप लोगों को एक सीख मिलती है कि कभी भी आप लोगों को ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि नहीं आई हैव नेवर डन दिस बिफोर. इनफैक्ट यू शुड ट्राई समथिंग न्यू बिकॉज it is going to give you confidence of standing in front of people and speaking in front of them. Now moving on, that was his second hero. Now coming to his third hero. When I grow up, I want to be like Hemant Karkare, the anti-terrorist squad chief who laid down his life while chasing the intruders near Kama Hospital. So his next hero was Hemant Karkare, जिन्होंने जब इंट्रूडर्स मतलब जो बाहर के लोग आए थे हॉस्पिटल में, दे वर किलिंग पीपल, ही हाउएवर ट्राइड टू सेव पीपल, ही एंड एट लास्ट क्या हुआ, हु वर ऑल्सो बिफेल्ड बाय एनिमी बुलेट्स. उसके जो कोलीग्स थे, कोलीग्स मतलब जो उनके साथ काम करते थे, उनको भी एनिमी की बुलेट्स लग गई थी, दे डाइड. सो और उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने अपनी भी लाइफ बाय सेविंग पीपल, even he risked his life. Now if you can see in the picture, there is a lady who is trying to control her emotions. And who is this lady? The teacher, that is Mrs. Barua, was moved to tears by the poignant portrayal of the martyrs. She struggled to hold back her tears. So now when Kabir was depicting about his heroes, the teacher was trying to control her emotions, because जब उनको पता चला कि कबीर was telling about someone who she didn't knew about, she did not cry but she was controlling her tears. वो नहीं चाहती थी कि उनके tears rule back करें. Kabir proceeded to narrate the case of Tauqeef Sheikh, the Chotu Chai Wala. So now again, after the third hero, he moved on to his next one. He had a tiny tea stall outside the CST terminus. So now one by one, Kabir was depicting the story of some or the other people, and the students, the teachers, all were touched by whatever Kabir was speaking about the people, because they didn't know. क्योंकि ऐसे हमारे इंडिया में ऐसे कई सारे सोल्जर्स हैं जिन्होंने इंडियन आर्मी के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है. जो इंडियन आर्मी है उन्होंने लोगों के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, बट हम लोगों को कई बार हम उनके नाम मिस कर जाते हैं. कई लोगों के बारे में पता नहीं रहता, हमें कुछ लोगों के बारे में पता है. बट कबीर वॉज टेलिंग अबाउट ऑल द पीपल दैट ही वॉन्टेड टू बिकम लाइक, दैट पीपल डिडंट न्यू अबाउट. सो जब उन लोगों को उनके बारे में स्टोरी पता चली तो दे स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. कबीर्स लिस्ट ऑफ हीरोज़ वॉज नॉट कम्प्लीट येट. अब कबीर की जो लिस्ट थी वो अभी भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी. उन्होंने फिर उसके बाद सैंड्रा सैमुअल के बारे में बोला. ठीक है, कबीर ड्रू डाउन हिज स्पीच आफ्टर स्पीकिंग अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. फाइनली ही गेव अ पॉज, ही गेव अ हॉल्ट टू हिज स्पीच. ही हैड स्टर्ड द होल क्लास विथ हिज पावरफुल नरेशन. The whole and उसकी जो class ही when he gave a pause to his all the statements, he saw at the class and all the class were listening to him attentively without making a noise. उसकी class में proper pin drop silence था. Why? Because people were, they wanted to hear what Kabir was saying. That is the reason why they didn't turn here and there, neither they made any noise. As Kabir ended, the whole class gave him a standing ovation. What do you mean by standing ovation? Standing ovation means आपने कई सारे reality shows या फिर कहीं देखा होगा, जब भी a person performs well, people when they get up and clap for the person, that is known as standing ovation. हम कब करते हैं? जब हमें किसी का भी काम बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. अदरवाइज हम क्या करते हैं? बैठ के तालियां बजाते थे. बट द होल क्लास दे वर क्लैपिंग फॉर हिम. Mrs. Barua was convinced her pupils would grow up imbibing the value of tolerance, peace, and altruism. They would make their motherland an adobe of peace, a beacon to the whole world. So now even the teacher was feeling very proud because उनके जो students ये हमेशा याद रखना कि a teacher will always feel proud of you when she tells you to do something and you do that. Nothing makes a teacher happier than that, when she's telling you something, when she's advising you and you are taking that advice. So the teacher a day before, when she gave them some work that they have to speak on different people that they want to become like, all the students were ready with it and they spoke it very beautifully that even she was about to cry after listening to her students' thoughts. So now she was feeling proud कि ये बच्चे वो बच्चे हैं जो आगे नेशन को जाके, जो वर्ल्ड को जाके बहुत कुछ देंगे and they're going to do something for the world. So this was this chapter. I hope that, like I told you, I always tell you that every story, every poem that you go through has a moral. So I'm definitely sure that आपको भी इससे moral मिला होगा being a student, that you should सबसे पहली बात, you should always respect the people who do something for your country, right? आपको हमेशा इंडियन सोल्जर्स की रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए. डॉक्टर्स जो अपनी लाइफ, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल दीज डेज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द पास्ट 2 years, the warriors, especially the doctors, they are not worrying about themselves. क्यों? क्योंकि when we see any COVID patient, we run away from him because we want to protect ourselves, right? But the doctors, instead what they do, instead of running, they are treating the COVID patients without thinking of themselves. So सिर्फ इंडियन सोल्जर्स ही नहीं, ऐसे और कई सारे होते हैं, ऐसे कई सारे ब्रेव पर्सन हैं इस कंट्री में that we should respect, we should speak about them, we should make them feel कि yes, you are important in our life, we want to become like you. So at the last I would like to tell you that whenever you see any Indian army person or any warrior, you are going to thank that person for what they do for you. This will be your best work and you'll obviously feel good after telling them thank you. So thank you students, please go through the chapter and please listen to the last words that I spoke to you. Thank you.